Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this cat coaster. The materials that I use is 4-ply acrylic yarn, 4mm hook, scissors, and yarn needle. Let's begin. First, make a magic ring. Next, chain 2. Inside the magic ring, make 11 double crochet. Now, pull the yarn ends to close the magic ring. Next, make a slip stitch. Next, begin with chain 2. Then make 2 double crochet on each stitch. To close the round, make a slip stitch. Next, chain 2. On the first stitch, make 1 double crochet. And on the second stitch, make 2 double crochet. Repeat the pattern alternate to complete round 3. Now make a slip stitch to close round 3. Next step is chain 2. And the pattern for round 4 is on the first stitch, make 1 double crochet. On the second stitch, make 1 double crochet. And on the third stitch, make 2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern to complete round 4. Next, make a slip stitch. To begin with round 5, chain 2. And the pattern for round 5 is 1 double crochet on the next stitch, another 1 double crochet on the next stitch, another 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and on the fourth stitch, make 2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern alternate to complete round 5. After you complete round 5, make a slip stitch. And now, you're going to count 20 stitch. And on the 20th stitch, place the stitch marker. Next step, we're going to make 20 single crochet. After making the 20 single crochet, we're going to do the ear of the cat. First chain 1, then on the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. And then on the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. And on the same stitch, make 1 treble crochet. And on the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. And on the same stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. And we're done making the first ear. Next step is to count 8 stitch. And place a stitch marker on the 8th stitch. Next step is to make 8 single crochet. Then, on the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Then on the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. And next, 1 treble crochet on the same stitch. Next, 1 double crochet on the same stitch. And next, make 1/2 double crochet on the same stitch. Then, chain 1. Then on the next 20 stitch, make 20 single crochet. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. And there you have it, guys. This is the final outcome. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like this video and click the bell button to notify you if I have new uploads. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to help my channel grow. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Goodbye!